Hi guys, it's Beth. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you the cards I made using the May 2020 Sheetload of Cards sketch by Call Me Crafty Owl. And if you've not heard of the Sheetload concept yet, it is pretty much a sketch that Call Me Crafty Owl designs, and then she also gives you a cut list and supply list, as well as some additional ideas on how you can change up the card. So pretty much everything you need is right there, all the supplies that you need, how many sheets of pattern paper versus cardstock, and then what you even cut it to. So it's pretty amazing. And she debuted this May 2020 sketch yesterday, and so today I am sharing the cards that I made from it. And I ended up using some 6x6 paper. I'm working on the Splendor Pad by My Mind's Eye. Kind of very pretty pastels and florals, and so I had to change my cut list up a little bit. So I discovered that from a 6x6 piece of paper I could still fit, like from two alternating patterns, I could still get two cards from two different sheets of pattern paper of 6x6. So to get these 6 cards I used 4 different patterned paper sheets, 2 of the floral and 2 of the striped. And same here, for these 6 I used 2 sheets of the floral and 2 sheets of the kind of newsprint words. And so I was still able to get my 12 cards, and you can kind of see that I used an alternating pattern, because when you take your paper and you cut it down, like from each piece that she gives you, you can get like a full card's worth of panels essentially. And so I just mixed and matched 2 of each on each card. And then on this one I have it's a white card base, but I used some navy cardstock to cover, kind of like as a full coverage card mat. And then I added, I don't think you can tell, but it's like a pearlescent white mat to go behind my panel pieces here, and then just double matted my sentiment, which it says have courage and be kind. So then the other version I made in order to get my 12 cards, like this particular Sheetload sketch it makes 12 cards. So this one is more of like a green and then white. So, but same thing, the only difference is my sentiment here says faith, hope, and love, and then I colored the flower and the greenery in to kind of match the pinks and greens in the papers. And this one I just used one single dark navy cardstock mat behind my panel pieces. So just kind of shows you like the different ways that, you know, even using the same sketch, how you can kind of change up the card a little bit. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully you go check out, I will include Call Me Crafty Owl's video in the description box below, where she tells you how you can get this month's Sheetload sketch and supply list. And I will also include in the description box the other design team members who have already created cards with the sketch, so you can have some more, you know, design ideas on how you can use your sketch for May. If you guys have any questions on anything, please let me know. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy. I hope you go check out, get the sketch for May, have fun creating with it. Thank you guys so much for your time today, and I hope you're having a crafty day.